Hi, I'm Amy and I work for the New South Wales Koala Program on the Mid-North Coast within the Port Macquarie and Kempsey regions, which is also the lands of the Biripi and Dunghutti nations. The areas are so significant that we actually have two strongholds, one in the Crescent Head region, which actually has some of the highest densities of koalas in the state, and then also the Port Macquarie region. That stronghold actually extends from just near Port Macquarie out west into the hinterland there, which connects both the coastal and hinterland populations. We actually started in 2014 under the previous koala program, and that's what we're really building on. We're also partnering with the Port Macquarie Koala Hospital, also known as Koala Conservation Australia.
I'm the Koala Officer based at Koala Conservation Australia here at the Port Macquarie Koala Hospital. Habitat loss and fragmentation, vehicle strikes and domestic dog attacks are probably the biggest challenges that our koala faces in this actual region. Much of my work is about engaging with the local community to undertake koala conservation activities on ground to reduce these threats. So this means collaborating with local landholders, councils, land care, local First Nations people to ensure all activities undertaken are informed by community, scientific expertise and traditional ecological knowledge.
We're undertaking some habitat restoration where we're focusing on the two strongholds. We're also working with the councils, Port Macquarie, Hastings and Kempsey Council, to undertake koala habitat mapping. We're undertaking research on koalas in the region, as well as investing in vehicle strike mitigation and community engagement awareness.
Gula or koala is a family totem. We see gula as kin, and we want to be involved in conversations about traditional ecological knowledge with the New South Wales Koala Strategy. This also means amplifying traditional ecological knowledge and the way we relate to gula, koalas and country.
The New South Wales Koala Strategy has enabled us as an organisation to be much more effective in our reach, much more effective to speak and communicate with our local community. We have to work together, we have to take that collaborative approach, whether it's community spotting koalas, it's organisations like ours that treat sick and injured koalas, it's planting a tree for koala food. Whatever you can do, it's got to have that united approach and a really effective collaborative approach in order to make this work.